Do you know the difference between together and each other? Of course not. That's why you're here. Hello, this is Anita from English Station. Welcome to my channel. We use each other to talk about something that is reciprocated. It's two-sided. You do something for me and I do something for you. For example, we say we love each other. I love you and you love me. Or we can say we know each other. I know you, you know me. We hate each other. No, that's not nice to say. We care about each other. On the other hand, together is used to talk about something that happens at the same time and at the same location, but by individuals, usually in a group, but not necessarily. For example, we say we go to school together. I mean, at the same time and location, we go to school together. You're not doing anything for me and I'm not doing anything for you. It's just happening at the same time and location. Or you are my colleague. We work together. I mean, I'm not doing anything for you. You're not doing anything for me. We're doing things for another person called a boss, but it's happening at the same time and location. So we use together. We work together. However, sometimes we can use them both, but with different meanings. For example, we say, we fight together. It means you and I are supporting each other, fighting with other people. Or at the same time, we can say, we fight with each other. I fight with you, you fight with me. Or in the example of work, we can also say we work for each other. You work for me and I work for you. We work in different companies maybe and we work for each other to make more profit. We live together means at the same time and location. We live under the same roof. Or we say we'll live for each other. Oh, I love you so much that I live for you and I know you are living for me. Now it's your turn. We talk to each other. We play together. We don't know each other. We practice English together. Last year, we traveled together. We understand each other. And the last one, don't worry, we'll fix it together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. We want to help each other to learn English together.